My name is Cheryl Hike, and I'm from Volga, South Dakota. And I love gardening, and I love music. I would get frustrated because I couldn't see or focus right, and I would squint, and so it affected my working on a computer. It affected my simple things like going for a walk, taking a long drive. So it affected just about every area for me. To be honest, it wasn't necessarily a fear of the surgery. I think I was just hesitant that is this really something that absolutely had to be done? Couldn't the glasses correct it, instead of going through all that? I went to my regular doctor, Dr. Twitterow, and I was having a lot of problems with my seeing. And he said, now it's time. He said, I encourage you to go to Dr. Knudtson here in Brookings. And I said, I would much rather keep it local. And he spoke very, very highly of him. And I knew of others that had gone to him, so I did. When it became so bad that everything I was doing, everything I did in my home, reading, it didn't make any difference, trying to work on music, whatever it was just getting too much. I was tired of not being able to see and focus, even with my glasses, my current ones that I had. And I became so frustrated and just knew, okay, this is time. You have to do something. Absolutely fantastic. He was so personable, very, very compassionate, and he was patient and kind. Absolutely what you would look for in what I would call more of a hometown doctor, and yet an expert in what he does. And so I was just so impressed with him. Oh, kind. Oh my goodness, they were kind. It was almost like gathering with family, because they treated you as if you were one of them. And you weren't just a number on a page and a person, just like, okay, we've seen 4 now, here comes number 5. They treated you as if you were family. And they were very supportive, very kind, and answered any question that I had without any hesitating at all. The recovery part was short, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, then back into my room. And we stayed there not that long, about an hour and a half. And Dr. Knudtson came back in to see me and talk to me, and wanted to make sure that pain level-wise and what I would need. He was just so compassionate, and then making sure that I didn't have a reaction to any, dyes or anything like that. And the nurses too. Oh my goodness, they were wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And so it really was a very fast procedure. Tremendous. I woke up the next day and I decided to check some news out, and I turned on the television, and I was absolutely in shock. I had never seen color like that in years, many years. And I squealed and I said, "You've got to come and see this," to my husband, Terrell. And he said, "What are you so excited about?" And I said, "I can see. I said, I see the brightest blues and the softest pinks and the yellows, and it was like a miracle for me. It really was. Don't wait. If you have been told that you need to have your cataracts taken care of, I would say do it. It was a life-changing experience for me. To be able to see the way I see today, I didn't realize how much I was missing. I could not encourage anybody, just do it. Do it and be peaceful about doing it. It was, Dr. Knudtson did a remarkable job and would answer any questions you wanted and was there to make sure that your experience was really good. And mine was as excellent as it comes.
Are you one of Brookings Health System's grateful patients who would like to give back to us? Learn more about how you can give back at brookingshealth.org/mythanks.